Yes, hello students. Previously we have discussed chapter 3 and last week we also discussed the lesson 3 basic ICT skills. So I will explain in terms of the question answers. So we have written the question answers. What is the word processor? The word processor, especially word processor, is used to create a document, letter or a memo in the digital form, and it is the most useful application used in offices, business places, institutions, and all the other places. So everywhere generally we used this word processor, means Microsoft Word, when we type any letter and when we do any work. So some software packages are Microsoft Word, you know very well, Apple Pages, Google Docs, and Open Office Writer, LibreOffice Writer, you have learned in the ninth class, and Coral Word Perfect. And after that we have written the word wrapping. So you all know what is the word wrapping, and the alignment also, you know what is the alignment, different types of alignment. Now we will discuss what is operating system and describe its works. So students, you know, the system that manages or operate the computer system is called the operating system. Means it operates the machine, it operates the computer. So it also manages all the software programs, and it also manages all the hardware devices like input devices, output devices, memory, and processing devices. So it is very important. Without operating system, machine cannot do the work. So it also provide the interface between user and the computer. So what is the interface? Suppose you are using Android operating system in your mobile phone or Windows onto the computer. So when operating system starts, it provides graphically, it provides icons, and in the mobile phone you touch on the icons and the program will start. So this is the basically known as the interface. So it is also known as the graphical user interface. GUI based operating system. So Android is a GUI based operating system, Windows is a GUI based operating system, but DOS is not there. DOS, character user interface, because in DOS we type everything. So it is character user interface, and while the Windows or Android we just click on the icons, we are using the graphics, so it is known as the graphical user interface. So other works of the operating system is scheduling, process, or providing interface, or security of the system also, and controlling all the software devices, and control means all the hardware devices and software it controls. And starting the computer, when computer will start, it automatically loads, means operating system loaded into the memory, and computer will become in the working position. Otherwise it is, we cannot do any work without operating system. After that, next question was, what is the client server system? Client server system means there is a, in a client server there is a main powerful computer system, that is known as the server, and other systems that are connected to the server and request to the server for different works are called the clients. In the same way, suppose in one class teacher will be there and students will be there, and teacher serves to the student, then teacher is known as the server and students known as the clients. So similar to that way. And one more thing will be there, peer to peer system. Suppose there is a class, teacher will be there and student will be there, and one student will explain anything, describe to all, then this time student will become the teacher. So that is known as peer to peer system, when any client become the server. Okay, thank you student. In my next video I will discuss the next 8 or 9 questions. Thank you students, be safe at your home.